how to get free $80 here on Heyoo. So hey guys, on today's video I'll be teaching you how to get free $80. So if you ever want $80, easy way to get $80, and if you are good with inviting with affiliate links or what, so here I'll be teaching you how to earn right here. All you need to do is open up our Heyoo right here, and then on the bottom right corner, click right here in your profile. Once you're here, your profile, as you see right now, all you need to do is go down to, you see, invite friends. Press on invite friends right there. After pressing invite friends right here, you will see here, all you need to do is copy your code right there. Now as you can see right now, once you're here, all you need to do is click on my invitation, copy the code right there. Easy as that. Press the code right there, copy. After pressing on copy right there, you can now use the what they call this, use that to invitation code right there, or just click on go invite, and there, once you click on go invite right there, you can just invite them. Here there you go, you can just save or copy the link right there. It's just that. Here the rule: introduction, invite friends, face recognition, complete task, and then you receive reward. Easy as that. There you go. As you can see, here are all the prices, profile bar, recharge reward. So yeah, there you go guys. As you can see, there you go. That's how easy it is. Hope you guys will enjoy it. If you have any questions or concerns, type it down in the comment below guys. I will answer you as soon as possible here on how to rock it guys, and thank you guys.